Hey Splash fam, it's Asiato here, and today I'm just gonna let y'all see some behind the scenes. This is how trout, rainbow trout, come into the great hot state of Texas. So pretty much this is just from the hatchery to us shooting them into the pond to us cooking and eating them, because y'all know that's the best part. So without further ado, you know what we do. Cue the intro.
Hey y'all, it's the I See a Splash YouTube channel with the I See a Splash podcast. Yeah, everyone go check that out. Without further ado, we're going to tell y'all what we do. Go and catch a bass, yeah, go and catch a bass. Go and catch a big mama, go and catch a bass. Go and catch a Jimmy, go and catch Sally. Go and catch the whole family, you know we about it. Go and set the hook, yeah, set that hook textbook. Go and set that hook, yeah, set that hook textbook. Go and set that hook textbook. Yeah, I see you like to set the hook.
Where's the net? Where's the net?
7-11.
Oh, where's the net?
I left the net somewhere.
Did it? Thank you.
You're welcome.
How many nets are we getting?
Huh?
How many nets?
It's 80 kgs, so it'll probably be something like 10 netfuls.
Huh?
It'll probably be something like 10 netfuls.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna put it.
So, if you come up here, if you get them in the corners, you're gonna have better luck getting
Oh, okay.
Try not to overload it.
Alrighty, I was giving a pro tip. She really wanted to help me get these fish in the net so we can get them to the pond at a quick fashion. I was not too good at this. You're about to see now. I think I got like a 3 or something.
So try to jam them up into the corner and then use the corner to scoop them up.
Okay. That's not enough.
I couldn't hear that.
I couldn't hear it.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. There you go. That's good too.
No, you stay on the corner. Stay by the wall. Alright. Stay.
There you go. There you go. Hey, makes it easier for you.
Huh?
Let's push this up a little bit.
Huh?
We're gonna drop the net for a second. Grab the top of that. This right here. And pull it back towards you. Alright, don't pull it up. Keep it down. And just pull straight back. And I'll try to keep you down. There you go. Alright, hold on to it. Keep going. Try to pull back. Like, pull that way. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. We'll get them up nice and tight. It makes life a lot easier. Keep going.
We had a couple of escapees.
Alright, that should be good. Go ahead and set it forward. See if that helps out a little bit.
Thank you. Huh?
They say work smarter, not harder, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. They're in a small spot, and I can get them all in one net.
Stay.
Alright, Splash fam, I did pretty good. I'm going to pick it up now. I'm going to start catching some more trout and just throwing them in the bag. And yeah. Alrighty, y'all. So that was actually the hardest part of the whole process. Now we're gonna go to the park and meet a hatchery worker and just shoot.
Are pain.
Really?
Well, yeah, because they don't understand that whenever you put them in the net, you're trying to give them the best chance of survival.
Yeah.
They think it's their job to just jump out everything.
Alrighty, y'all. We're just getting a little bit of fisheries, a little humor right there. We're talking about smallmouth bass. Whenever you stalk smallmouth bass, you put them in rocks, but sometimes they just jump out the net. So yeah.
Okay, just these two?
No.
Oh, okay.
They're pretty.
They're pretty pretty. Yeah, it's kind of nice. I guess she wants me to go. I guess she's trying to record it or something. Yeah.
Yeah,
Someone
we
caught
can't
one.
start surveying for at least half an hour anyway, so.
All right. Here you go. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, it's so nice to meet you. I don't feel as bad as I sound.
You don't sound terrible. You just you sound like you're whispering like a church mouse, you know, before Christmas.
Yeah.
So that's just all of us basketing them trout and throwing them in the pond. But real quick, I'd like to thank all the hatchery workers. They are the unsung heroes of all fish stockings in Texas. So thanks to PK, Possum Kingdom, thanks to TFFC, Texas Freshwater Fishery Center. Y'all bring all them fish and y'all have to drive all them miles. And we really thank y'all for that.
I'm just cutting the head off, just so you know. Okay. Pretty much the way I was taught to cook trout. You cut the head off.
Trout right there, dude.
You want to admire it before I kill it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, bud. What's up?
Go ahead. Vertical jig it.
I'm just gonna cut the head. Huh? It's not bad.
Also, this is the last section. This is the end product. We're gonna catch some trout. We're gonna cook them up pretty much. And yeah, that's like where they're going. Trout are very seasonal fish. And we're not going to keep them in Texas for a long time because if you know Texas, it gets hot and humid. Alright, so pretty much like with any fish, you want to make sure you get a good angle with the knife and you want to turn in a little bit so you can feel that rib cage. This knife is a little heavy because trout are a little delicate of a fish, but it's getting the job done, so I can't complain. Most of the fillets are coming out pretty well, and pretty much we're just going to cook them up, cut off any excess fins, cut off any excess meat, red meat, meat that does not look too good that we do not want to put into our bodies. And we're putting some lemon pepper on them, and we're just kind of cooking them up at that point. And I will tell you, trout tastes a whole of a lot good if you know what you're doing.
What?
Don't forget to use lemon pepper seasoning.
Oh, where's it at?
Oh God. That was gonna be funny. All right.
Where's the seasoning?
God. Right here. That would be funny.
Ooh.
Yeah. That makes it edible, bud.
Just put a little bit on there.
Yeah. Got a bee on here. Move. I don't know where we're gonna put all the fish remains, but hey.
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this episode. It was really a joy to put this together. A lot of people never see this process, and I just really want to shed some light on it. Y'all don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, and all that. And also, at the end of this clip, don't click off yet. You're about to see the people who make this happen. We got the sponsors. We got the big guns. The people who keep me fishing. The people who help me fish. So y'all stick around and look at what they got. For the first video, we got a nice little discount for y'all from Deep Throat Jigs, ATOE20, ATOE20. And you're going to get some good discounts. So I'm just saying, if you want some discounts, stay around and see what I got for y'all. Thank y'all. Have a blessed.
Call it red alert, call it HR, call it the saw in the grass in the bar, call it 6 figs, I'm on the bigs, call it fish 6, nah he ain't this, call him the eagle, call him the big bass going with the rig, catch him on Tokyo, catch him on a wacky, catch him with that 6 foot you got from your daddy, catch him from the best, catch him from the mess, yeah, I see going with the big best. Go and set that hook, yeah, set that hook, textbook, go and set that hook, textbook, go and set that hook, textbook. I see you like to set the hook.